The Hikity wireless Carplay dashcam offers seamless integration with your smartphone, allowing you to access maps, messages, music, and more through a convenient rear-view mirror display. With its 9.66-inch IPS touchscreen, this dashcam provides a clear and comfortable viewing experience, even in bright sunlight or at night. The dual-camera setup features a 150-degree front lens and a 120-degree rear lens, ensuring comprehensive coverage and minimizing blind spots. This device supports two-channel Bluetooth connectivity, displaying both front and rear road conditions simultaneously for enhanced driving safety. The Hikity dashcam is equipped with a 24-hour parking monitoring feature that automatically records video clips when motion is detected around your parked vehicle. Designed with user convenience in mind, the dashcam supports voice control through Google Assistant and Siri, allowing for hands-free operation while driving.